We want New Zealand to be the safest country in the world. But we can't do it without your help.
New Zealand police are looking for new recruits who can make a real difference.
Those who care about others and their communities.
Okay, yeah. I'm coming back and I've been on the grind. Got 'em running around looking for me all night. Oh, yeah.
We need individuals who want to be part of a strong team.
Cheers.
Eagle to 851,
When you join the police, you'll be trained with skills to keep you and others safe. Receive a good starting salary. And...
Like underwater business. Or youth work. Or police commissioner stuff.
We want fit New Zealanders. Woo! Not that fit. Those who like to be active and are willing to train and learn.
So what's holding you back?
Oh, it's just a tie I tied to my waist with a bit of rope.
Yeah, I didn't mean it that literally. I was just asking the question.
What?
You kind of just ruined my flow now. There was supposed to be a big build-up, and now we have to go over this whole section again.
Who's we? Oh, okay.
Do it.
Drop it.
Do you care enough to be a cop? Take the first step and visit newcops.co.nz.
But we can't do it without your help.
Oh, where's the camera? Do I say it to this camera?
Yeah.
New Zealand, I'm
Got 'em running around looking for me all night. Oh, yeah. The weak finish strong, so I can fry.
I'm just gonna come in and harmony.
And youth work.
No words, just that.